Chapter 8. More on Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a drawing program for children. It has a lot of creative tools and magical effects. In this chapter, we will learn about different tools and how to create a slideshow in Tux Paint using the different effects to make it look attractive. Stamp tool. Stamps are the small pictures or stickers which can be used in Tux Paint. They make our work easy and faster. They help in making our drawing look attractive. With the help of the stamp tool, you can paste the pictures on the drawing area. For using the stamp tool, we can follow the given steps. Step 1. Choose the new tool. Step 2. Now go to a blank page and double click on it. Step 3. Select the stamp tool. Step 4. Using the left and right arrow keys, the user can browse through the types of stamps available. Step 5. Click on a stamp which you want to add. Step 6. As you move the mouse pointer to the drawing area, an outline of the selected stamp will appear. Step 7. Click once. This will paste the stamp. You can also paste the same stamp again by simply clicking on another part of the drawing area. Step 8. Click on any other tool to finish using stamps. Fact bit. The size or position of the image can be changed by clicking on the given options. For a mirror image, for vertically flipping the picture, for increasing or decreasing the size of the image. Magic tool. For applying the special effects to a picture, we use the magic tool. When magic effect is added to a picture, it becomes more attractive. It is simple to use magic tool. We can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the magic tool. Step 2. You can go through the different effects by scrolling down. Step 3. Select the magic effect you wish to add. Step 4. Choose a color. Step 5. Click or drag on the drawing canvas. This will apply the selected tool. All magic effects do not work on a blank canvas. For them to work, first a picture needs to be drawn and then the magic effects can be applied to them. For example, chalk, waves, drip. Magic tools help to create special effects on the canvas. There are more than 50 special effects available. Let us learn about few common effects. Rainbow and real rainbow effects. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the canvas. Real rainbow effect draws a colorful arc based on a real photo of a rainbow. To use the rainbow effect, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the magic tool. Step 2. Select the rainbow effect from the sub-tool box. Step 3. Place the magic wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point. You will see a trail of rainbow colors as you draw. Step 4. Now select the real rainbow effect. Step 5. Choose a single point on the drawing area. From that point, click and drag the mouse to a new location. Step 6. Now release the left mouse button at the end point. Bricks effect. It paints realistic large or small brick patterns. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the magic tool. Step 2. Select the bricks effect from the sub-tool box. Step 3. Draw the bricks by single-clicking on left button for smaller bricks or click and drag the mouse for larger bricks. Grass effect. It paints realistic clumps of grass on the screen. To use the grass effect, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the magic tool. Step 2. Select the grass effect from the sub-tool box. Step 3. Draw the grass by single-clicking on left button or dragging the mouse. Blur effect. It blurs the area of the picture on which it is applied. Let us see how this tool works on a picture. Step 1. Select the stamp tool. Apply any stamp on the canvas. Step 2. Select the magic tool. Step 3. Select the blur effect. Step 4. Apply it over the stamp and observe how it looks. Mirror effect. It flips the image horizontally. It is used to create mirror image of the drawing. Step 1. Create a drawing in Tux Paint. Step 2. Select the magic tool. Step 3. Select the mirror effect. Step 4. Click the magic wand on the drawing. You will observe that the mirror image of your drawing will be created. Clicking the wand again will give you the original drawing back, as clicking again and again keeps flipping the image horizontally. Smart bit. To undo any effect, you can use Ctrl plus Z. To save any effect, you can use Ctrl plus S. Creating a slideshow. We can create entire story using Tux Paint. Tux Paint helps us to make our story look attractive with the help of different types of stamp, magic effect, and by using many other tools. For creating a slideshow, you can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create different scenes. Then save these files separately. Step 2. Select the Open tool. Step 3. Select the Slides option. Step 4. You can create the sequence for each file by numbering them. To do this, click on them one by one. Step 5. Click on Play. Once you click on the play button, all the scenes which you have selected will play one after the other in sequence which you have selected. This is known as the slideshow. Lesson sum up. The stamp tool consists of small pictures or stickers in Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a computer program mainly used to draw and paint on the computer. Special effects can be applied using the magic tool. Slideshow or the scene of the story can be created using Tux Paint.